proper respect to everyone. Love the brother of the neighbors. Fear God, honor the king. 1 Peter 2, verse 17.
Lesson 2. Gideon. The message. I can do everything through Christ who gives me strength. Philippians 4, verse 13.
Lesson 3. Lesson 3. Strong outside, weaker inside. Remember verse. Create in me a pure heart, O God. Psalms 51, verse 10. God loves me and uses me even though I make mistakes.
Lesson 1. Happy. I listen. Remember. Speak, Lord, for servant is listening. 1 Samuel 3, verse 9. Lesson 5. Capture the message. I can help God when I help my friend make good choices. Remember verse. I have chosen the way of truth. I have set my heart on your